doen ons die dinge so kortom nie. Voor ons die kaarte pak, sê my, wie is jou mens? Jy lyk vir my so bekend. Is jy ook van die, wat sê ons daar van Naamsbury se wêreld? Look, we don't really care about your family tree, and we definitely don't want to flicker dots, but we do care about the community. On sign up, you'll ask for the number of 2 Magic players that you know. They'll receive a WhatsApp asking to verify that you're a legit player. Once verified, we know that you're kosher and you've got full access. Trade cards with other players on the MTG Trade Post website. Trade 1 for 1, 1 for many, bundles for bundles, all under a flat fee rate. Nou kan ek werk aan my Janstad-stek. Ek sal die kaarte wat ek nie gebruik nie, laai en ruil vir Talassasi, bewaker van Tabern, of is spookagtige tronk. My teenstanders sal weet dat my kaarte uit die boonste gestoeltes kom. En ek het nog steeds vir my Lelie haar 7 serpies koop. www.ntgtradepost.co.za. Dis 'n plesier.